If you're wondering how to manage global payroll on Oyster, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know, whether you're new to the platform or looking to streamline your international payroll process. Stick with me till the end because I'll also be sharing how you can get access to Oyster for completely free with some exclusive bonuses. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. When it comes to managing global payroll, one of the biggest challenges is ensuring compliance across different countries with varying labor laws. Oyster is a game changer in this space, simplifying payroll management for international teams by handling all of that complexity for you. Whether you're managing a remote team in Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, Oyster ensures that all the necessary taxes, benefits, and deductions are taken care of automatically, so you don't have to worry about navigating different local regulations. One of the key features of Oyster is its ability to handle payroll in multiple currencies and tax jurisdictions. This means you can pay employees in their local currency, adhering to the specific payroll laws of their country, all from one central platform. This eliminates the need for multiple payroll providers and the risk of mistakes from manual processes. With Oyster, payroll management becomes seamless and automated, reducing the chance of errors and saving you valuable time. Setting up payroll on Oyster is straightforward. First, you'll create a company profile and input basic information, including the countries where you have employees. Once that's done, you can start adding employees, inputting their compensation details, and the system will take care of the rest. The platform automatically calculates taxes, withholdings, and benefits, ensuring compliance with local laws without you having to manually input every detail. Oyster also offers powerful reporting tools, giving you full visibility into your payroll expenses, tax liabilities, and employee benefits. This can be invaluable for budgeting and ensuring that you are managing costs effectively while staying compliant. You can easily export these reports, which is a great feature for accounting teams or external audits. But here's the best part. Oyster doesn't just handle payroll, it's an all-in-one solution for managing your global workforce. It lets you onboard new employees, provide benefits, and even handle contracts in multiple languages and currencies. This means you can not only pay your team on time, but also ensure that they're getting the benefits they deserve, all while staying in compliance with local laws. One of the things that sets Oyster apart from other payroll software is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to global payroll, you won't find yourself overwhelmed. The dashboard is intuitive and the setup process is quick. If you have any questions, their support team is top-notch, ready to assist you through any issues or challenges you might face. And now, here's a great opportunity for you. You can try Oyster completely free. And when you sign up through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive bonuses that make it even easier to get started. You'll get access to extended trials and discounts, which is a fantastic way to experience all the benefits of managing global payroll on Oyster without the risk of upfront costs. So, whether you're managing payroll for a small team or a large international workforce, Oyster provides a reliable, efficient, and compliant solution to help you handle your global payroll with ease. Make sure to check out the first link below for your exclusive bonuses and extended trial. You won't regret it. By the way, if you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, don't forget to check out the other content on managing global payroll with Oyster and related software to boost your business operations.